Let's say you're a student, a parent searching for the first car for your teenage child, or simply a driver who needs an affordable daily commuter. When shopping for a car, the most sound idea would be to go for a used model. But what if you enjoy free-of-charge maintenance, do not want to be bothered by the possible reliability issues, and simply love the feel of a new product? In this case, there is still an option to buy a decent automobile on a rather limited budget. And in today's episodes, we'll be reviewing these cheapest new cars of 2020, comparing their standard features and available add-ons. Subscribe to Automotive Territory channel and hit the bell icon to get alerted about the upcoming buying guides. Bear in mind that the most affordable cars are down the list, so stay tuned and enjoy the ride. Kia Soul. Being a borderline crossover hatchback mix, the Kia Soul no longer wishes to be a boring box on wheels, so in 2020 we'll be seeing a revitalized and sprucer model. The lineup consists of 6 trims: LX, S, somewhat off-road equipped X-Line, Designer EX, Sporty GT Line, and GT Line Turbo. The main powertrain across the range is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a 6-speed manual, but extra 1500 will get you an automatic intelligent variable tranny. The base package includes a 7-inch infotainment with full smartphone compatibility, 16-inch steel wheels with covers, and 6-speaker audio system. Going up the Soul's trim ladder, you access a 1.6-liter turbo with 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque yields, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. LED head and fog lights, power sunroof, 10.25-inch infotainment, and a suite of safety features. Hyundai Venue. As Hyundai continues to expand its crossover SUV range, an all-new entry-level model joins the brand's lineup for the 2020 model year. The Venue adopts the exterior design of its bigger Santa Fe and Palisade siblings, but it has a much shorter wheelbase, less cargo and passenger space. The smallest Hyundai crossover is set in motion by the 1.6-liter inline-4 engine that nets 125 HP and 113 pound-feet of torque. In the base SE modification, this power is sent to the front wheels through a 6-speed manual, though you can opt for the continuously variable transmission at a cost of $1,200. The car's cabin is modern styling with a soft cloth upholstery. It also houses a 4-speaker audio and a standard 8-inch infotainment with Bluetooth hands-free phone system, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. In addition, the new Venue is packed with the driver assist technologies, featuring driver attention warning, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning, even in the base trim. Fiat 500. The Italian-American automaker brought their iconic Fiat 500 to the US shores in 2011, and the company sold almost 50,000 units during the first year of sales. However, the number has been drastically decreasing in recent years, leading to the compact hatchback's inevitable discontinuation. Despite this fact, the 500 remains a smart choice in the small car segment, especially if you're looking for an affordable daily commuter but do not want to compromise on fun, comfort, and styling. The base trim is powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 135 HP and 150 pound-feet of torque, and it is mated to the standard 5-speed manual gearbox. Its cabin features roomy front seat space, 5-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a 6-speaker audio. Currently, the 2019 model here can still be configured and ordered via Fiat's website, though we are not sure whether the company has enough inventory to last for the entire year. Honda Fit. The new Honda Fit, or Jazz as it is known on many markets, has already been unveiled in Japan and Europe, but the US is not getting it in 2020. Instead, the previous third-generation model carries over with no major changes. We can find arguments both pro and against this decision, since the older Fit has a more conventional and appealing styling, compared to the updated anime-eyed and somewhat toy-like hatch. Still, it is lacking a new selection of powertrains, including the hybrid one. If you're looking to purchase the most affordable Fit currently on the market, it would be the LX trim that comes powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder with a standard 5-speed manual transmission. This configuration is priced at $17,120 when you add the destination fee, but returns subpar mileage of 31 mpg combined compared to 36 with an optional $800 CVT. Kia Rio. The 2020 model year Rio is sold in sedan and 5-door hatchback body styles. The latter isn't available in the base trim, hence an extra grand for the minimum asking price. This compact is receiving a new 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine working in tandem with a CVT intelligent variable automatic transmission. The new setup drops the horsepower output to 120, but improves combined fuel economy to 37 mpg. For now, the trim selection was limited to the entry LX and the middle tier S version. Since the price difference is around $600, it is recommended to opt for the latter. It opens up such features as cruise control, remote keyless entry, USB charging ports, and split folding rear seat with adjustable headrests, in addition to the 7-inch Apple Android infotainment and 6-speaker audio system. Plus, the S gives access to such options as LED headlights, driving assistance tech, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Toyota Yaris. The Yaris nameplate has a personality split when it comes to the international and North American markets. The model is entering the 2020 model year in sedan and hatchback body styles, riding on the Mazda 2 underpinnings in the US, while the rest of the world is greeting an all-new TNGA platform-based Yaris. Today, we'll explore the American version of the compact city car, priced from $15,650 and $17,750 respectively, offered in 3 trims: L, LE, and XLE. The shared powertrain across the range is a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder mated to a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission with 106 horsepower and 103 pound-feet of torque output. The entry-level configurations are equipped with the 7-inch Apple Android-compatible infotainment, air conditioning, and 15-inch steel wheels. But choose you go for the higher trims, 16-inch alloys, LED headlights, and automatic climate control are all there. Hyundai Accent. The 5th-generation Accent sedan premiered as a 2018 model, so this year it carries over without major exterior and interior updates. The car, however, gets an enhanced powertrain. The new 1.6-liter 4-cylinder is more efficient, but also returns fewer horses, 120 instead of 130. The standard transmission is a 6-speed manual, and there is no automatic gearbox on offer, only the newly added IVT that bumps the pricing by $1,100. The Accent is available in 3 trims: SE, SEL, and the Top Limited. The base one features cloth upholstery, a 4-speaker audio, a 5-inch touchscreen, and 60/40 split fold-down rear seats. The starting MSRP on the compact 4-door is $15,195 plus destination, but at the time of this video release, Hyundai offers a $1,000 discount on the SE purchased from the dealer stock. As mentioned before, the cheapest new cars are waiting for you down the list, so stay tuned. Check out other buying guide episodes by following the links in the end and in the description. Leave a like and let's keep going. Nissan Versa. Though the newly designed Versa is no longer the cheapest sedan on the American market, it is still a rather affordable pick, starting below $15,000. With a new sporty exterior and plenty of tech for the price, this 2020 sedan enters the model year, leaving its tiresome, pop-eyed exterior in the past. The new 4-door is a smaller copy of the elder-class Nissan Altima, with its V-shaped front and a soaring roof. The standard cloth upholstery has become smoother to the touch, while the cabin looks more expansive due to the glossy elements. The entry-level S trim also packs a 7-inch infotainment with Bluetooth and voice recognition. Standard safety features include a rear-view camera, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure and forward collision warning, plus automatic high beams. The Versa is powered by the old 1.6-liter inline-4, but it gets a power bump and now delivers 122 ponies. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mirage is far from being the best-looking car even among the most affordable models on the market, but is still a solid choice for new drivers and those who are looking for a small city commuter with unmatched fuel economy. Its base trim is called the ES, and it starts from under $15,000 after destination. The model gets a number of standard features, including LED tail and stoplights, a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, automatic climate control, and a 7-inch display with Bluetooth. In addition, the car has 7 airbags, ABS brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, and as required, a rear-view camera. Just as the rest of the Mirage trims, the entry-level one comes powered by a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine linked to a 5-speed manual and the front-wheel drive, with a modest output of just 72 horses. This configuration earns the model the status of the most fuel-efficient car in its class, returning 39 mpg combined. But unfortunately, it does struggle on highways. Chevrolet Spark. While many cars in the Chevy's lineup faced discontinuation in 2019, the Lucky Spark was facelifted instead. Today, the smallest vehicle offered by the brand possesses great value for the money, highlighted by fresh and dynamic front fascia. The city car gets a single-engine option, a 1.4-liter EcoTec 4-cylinder that is paired with a standard 5-speed manual transmission or an optional CVT. The output is humble 98 horses and 94 pound-feet of torque, but the fuel economy in the combined cycle is decent 34 mpg. The model's interior features comfortable front seats, a 7-inch Sync 3 infotainment with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and 4G LTE mobile hotspot, 2 USBs as standard, and 11 cubic feet of cargo capacity, which could be further extended to 27 cubes with a folded rear bench. Among the worthy upgrades are automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning. Renault and Dacia Duster. The Duster is a compact sport utility vehicle currently manufactured under the Romanian Dacia and the French Renault brands. This is one of the most affordable internationally available crossovers that possesses decent specifications and actually has quite a zealous following. The latest redesign took place in 2018. Its highlight was a new front fascia with LED DRLs, an entirely reworked interior, updated tech, and better upholstery materials. Sadly though, an actual infotainment system is still available on the upper trims. The basic engine is a gasoline naturally aspirated 1.6-liter 4-cylinder with 100 horsepower. 7 more mils are on offer, with a range-topping 1.3-liter turbo that also comes in the optional 4-wheel drive variant. All in all, the Duster is sold in 6 trims, with the prices kicking off from 11,000 euros. But beware, bare-bones access does not even have air conditioning. I do admit that more affordable cars are still available on the European and Asian markets, but these international models do offer great value for the money and would definitely serve you well for years to come. Share your opinion about these vehicles in the comments below. Watch other buying guides by following the links on the screen. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, and may the torque be with you!